Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deja, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make a nice chicken wrap with lettuce and ranch. So I told you guys that I was going to be revamping my channel and adding different types of videos. So this is one of the first videos that I'm going to be doing, and it is a cooking video, just a quick short late night snacks. So I take a Tyson chicken tender and I air fry it on 400 degrees for 15 minutes. I'm going to take a basic tortilla wrap and put some Hidden Valley ranch on it. And then I take some romaine lettuce and place that on there. And for my cheese, I just did a shredded mix. And then I put my tender on there, wrap it up, and I pop it in the air fryer for about another minute or so just to get the cheese all melty and gooey like I like it. And that is it. You can do this recipe with literally anything. You can do cut up chicken, grilled chicken, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, whatever you like. You can even do like sandwich meat. It's really easy and really quick, and it keeps you full too. So I hope you guys like this video. If you try this out, let me know down in the comments. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DejaJX. So thanks for watching. Bye.